Hi, in this video I want to show you how to fix in case you're having issues with your HP DeskJet 2855E Wi-Fi problems. This is what most people are experiencing with this cheap HP printer. Well, before doing anything, I always suggest you go on the back of the printer and you simply pull this power cable out. Even if the printer is turned on, don't worry, simply pull it out and wait 2 minutes and connect it back. Sometimes this small thing will fix many different issues before having to do anything more. If you're still having Wi-Fi problems, you need to go on the control panel and press the X button and the Wi-Fi button both at the same time for around 5 seconds. Let me press 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I release. You're going to notice the power button blinked once. This is normal. The Wi-Fi button will start blinking blue. And the Wi-Fi icon on the display will do this animation. This means that right now you need to pair your printer again with your Wi-Fi network. This is a Wi-Fi reset. So take your phone or take your computer, and I have made separate videos on how to connect this printer to your device, depending which one you have. I have made a video for iPhone, a video for Android, PC, Mac. Okay, so just check my other videos. And at this point, fortunately, you won't have any issues. If you want to use Wi-Fi direct instead of connecting this printer to your Wi-Fi network, in that case, we need to activate the feature. Right now, it's not present on the display. Tap once on the Wi-Fi button and the icon will appear as you see. This is for Wi-Fi direct. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment if this fixed your issue, comment if you have any other solutions, and I'll see you in the next video.